Hello and welcome back. Today you are joining me after, as you can see, a really nice snowstorm that we've had over the last couple days here. And we've kind of got a backlog of flights trying to get people into the mountains and out of the mountains. And today is the first day that we're able to do that. I'm coming here over the high ridges of the central range of Lesotho. Most of the snow on the airstrip is apparently melted, and on the level that I'll be descending to, we shouldn't have a problem. But as we go through the mountains here, you can see some really nice snowfall that we've had. Okay, so the airstrip's now on my left, and I'm going to come up close to this terrain here and then set up for landing down the hill. A little bit harder to brake with the downhill, but if I've got a headwind, then that should not be an issue. I'll also be touching down in the softer part of the runway. Just the softer, the part that gets wet. So what I'm talking about. Kind of at the top of the runway where I touched, so I'll just be aware of that. And we'll be looking for the second runway marker, so that's the second white line. I want to be down and braking by that. If I'm not, I'll be going around or aborting. Okay, I'm all set here on downwind. Definitely a tailwind here pushing me out, which is good. Means I should have a nice headwind on final. Just below this cloud here. Alright. Base leg just over these fields. Brakes and prop is checked for base. Alright, so it looks good, it feels more comfortable. So on to final approach. Alright, got my car flaps closed, green light for landing. Let's get IES speed down to 60. Check what ground speed that gives us. Here we go, 68, that's much better. Yeah, there's a really big bird on final there, but it's higher. About 100 foot above me. That's okay, I'll continue. Runway is clear. Approach is stable. 68 knots ground speed, that's good. Touching on the soft patch here. Alright, down and braking. A little bit soft, but braking is good. Onto the rockier part here for braking. Alright, thanks for joining. See you next time.